As artificial intelligence begins to shape how we work, we are asking questions. Not what can we automate, but what should we personalize? Because no two people have the same relocation needs. In global mobility, no two journeys are the same. Behind every move are people, just like yours, a story, a moment of change. We are beginning to explore how AI can help us listen more closely, anticipate challenges, offer the right support at the right time, without ever replacing what makes our work human. Because service is not measured in speed alone. It is felt in the moments that matter. AI will change how global mobility works, but it will never change what it means.